Hi, everyone. Are you ready to take charge of your kidney health? Welcome back to Healthhack, where we're serving up the ultimate guide to naturally cleansing and detoxing your kidneys. Today, we're discussing the top 12 foods that will leave your kidneys feeling refreshed and revitalized. Number 1. Red peppers. These peppers are low in potassium, which can be hard on those who have kidney disease. They also contain a good amount of vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, and fiber. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and plays roles throughout the body in energy production, blood flow, and metabolism. Folate and B6 contribute to the formation of red blood cells. Red bell peppers also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that keeps kidneys healthy and prevents renal failure. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is rich in fiber, folate, B6, vitamin C, and vitamin K. The fiber in cabbage and other leafy greens slow the absorption of nutrients. This gives the liver and kidneys time to deal with the influx into the bloodstream. Fiber keeps blood sugar from spiking, one of the biggest reasons for kidney damage, and it also helps pull toxins from the digestive tract. Vitamin K is important in healthy blood clotting. Cabbage also contains many phytonutrients that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Number 3. Cauliflower and broccoli. These florets are rich in vitamin C and folate. Cauliflower is full of fiber and rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Cruciferous vegetables are very good for you when kidneys are healthy or only sluggish. They should be avoided if your kidneys are really struggling or you have gout. Number 4. Leafy greens. Greens are rich in vitamin C, folate, fiber, vitamin K, and many other phytonutrients that reduce stress on the kidneys, reduce blood pressure, balance blood sugar, and combat inflammation. Consider adding healthy greens to your diet, such as mustard greens, dandelion leaves, and turnip greens. Dandelion especially increases urine production, cleaning out the kidneys and reducing blood pressure. Number 5. Garlic. Onions, shallots, chives, and leeks all contain allicin. Allicin is an organic sulfur compound that has some mighty anti-inflammatory properties. It also fights infection, has beneficial effects on blood pressure, and can act as an antioxidant. Number 6. Mushrooms. Mushrooms offer a host of benefits for kidney health, making them a valuable addition to any diet. These fungi are naturally low in sodium and high in potassium, essential for maintaining a healthy balance in blood pressure and reducing the risk of kidney damage. Are rich in antioxidants like ergothioneine and selenium, which combat oxidative stress, a contributing factor to kidney diseases. Their anti-inflammatory properties aid in reducing kidney inflammation and promoting overall renal function. Number 7. Asparagus. The asparagus stalk is an excellent source of fiber. The phytonutrients in asparagus lowers blood pressure and has a cleansing effect on the kidneys and bladder as they increase urine production and break up uric acid. This is for prevention. Those who already suffer from kidney disease should be careful with asparagus as it is also rich in potassium and phosphorus. Start your kidney detox with this fabulous asparagus soup. Number 8. Apples. Apples are an excellent source of fiber. The fiber in apples is exceptional at binding to and removing toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them, lessening the load on the kidneys. Apples also reduce inflammation and cholesterol. Number 9. Berries. Berries are low-calorie sweets that are also packed with some potent antioxidants and phytonutrients that help prevent damage to kidney cells and nephrons. They reduce inflammation and contain vitamin C, fiber, folate, and manganese. Some, like cranberry, are known to have a soothing effect on the urinary system and prevent infections. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cherries all help protect and cleanse the kidneys. Raspberries also contain ellagic acid, an antioxidant that has been shown to prevent kidney disease and some cancers. Number 10. Olive oil. The healthy essential fatty acids in olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocado reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and can ease the pain of kidney stones. Other oils with healthy fatty acids to try include sacha inchi or moringa oil. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fatty acids while also being phosphorus-free. The majority of fat in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid. Oleic acid is known for having potent anti-inflammatory properties. Number 11. Ginger. This spice has been used as a digestive aid for hundreds of years. Ginger has been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes, alcohol, and dehydration. When combined with thyme, ginger may offer even more protection. Thyme has been found to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. This is beneficial to the kidneys as high blood pressure can have a significant impact on the organs. Number 12. Turmeric. Turmeric is related to ginger and can also protect the kidneys from damage, though it isn't recommended for those who already have kidney disease due to its potassium content. Combine it with black pepper to get the most out of this spice. The active ingredient in black pepper is called piperine. When you combine piperine with curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, it makes for a powerful concoction. Both compounds have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can help to aid in digestion too. Helpful this video, subscribe, hit button. Thank you so much.